This tutorial video will demonstrate how to use the scheduler feature in the Ensign program. If you would like to schedule a message to be displayed at a certain time during the day, or to run an external program to also be displayed during a certain time of the day, you can use the scheduler feature in the Ensign program. To access the scheduler feature, click the Setup button on the main ribbon. Select the System drop-down arrow and select Scheduler. This will open the Scheduler feature. The Scheduler feature allows you to do a variety of things. This video will demonstrate some of the main features of the Scheduler. Here in this Scheduler panel, there are two entry fields, one for time and one for the instructions for the Scheduler. Notice that in the Time category, all of the time is listed in military time. You must use military time. The first line that we have displayed here is a simple customizable message. Each one of these fields are completely customizable. Here in this first field, we chose to have a message of text. For example, the market is closing, scheduled to be displayed at 16:10 military time. An example of what this message will look like is this. Make sure that the first box is checked to enable the display of a message. Some activities you would like to display hourly. To do so, in the Time entry field, enter the time, just the minutes without the hour, and check the left box. For example, this message, display a message every hour, will appear at 5 minutes after the hour, every hour, 24 hours of the day. The scheduler can also be used to open a layout. Enter in the text entry field, layout equals, and then the name of the desired layout. Then enter the specified time and click the left checkbox to enable this display. The scheduler can also execute ESPL scripts by entering script equals, followed by the name of the script. The scheduler can also run external applications. To do so, in the text entry field, enter the text run equals, and then the path and the name of the external program. The scheduler can also play a WAV file simply by entering in the text entry field, play equals, and then the path and the name of the WAV file. As has been demonstrated, the scheduler is quite flexible and can perform a variety of functions. It can display a reminder text box, open a layout, run a program, execute an ESPL script, or play a WAV file. To close the scheduler, click the X button in the top right-hand corner. This concludes this training segment.